Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Honor X5c Plus. Okay, we need to launch our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Now find Chats, scroll down and click on Chat Backup. Okay, and in here we need to discuss a few things. Let's begin with Google account first, simply tap on it. And as you can see, in my case, currently this Google account is selected. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored in the cloud. So, for example, if you want to restart our backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the backup process. Of course, if you want, you can click on Add Account and add a new one. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. In my case I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable feature. If you want, you can pick between those available modes. Let's also include the videos in our backup, make sure that it's enabled. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future when you want to restore your backup. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. But it's not necessary to create it, it's like an extra security feature. If you don't want, you don't need to turn it on. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space. And now to create a backup, simply hit this green button, Backup. The process will now start. It won't take long. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Everything depends how much messages you are copying actually. Okay, as you take a look on last backup, we can see the hour. It's the same, so it's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.